everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Karina, and today I have a cooking video for you. I have a very basic cooking video for you. I'm going to be making chicken enchiladas, and I'm going to be using some food pantry items. So I'll get to showing you what I'm using and how I cook my enchiladas. Okay, stay tuned. All right, everyone, I'm back and I'm going to show you the items I use in my chicken enchiladas. Very basic. First, I have some corn tortillas, and then I'm going to be using these chicken strips from the food pantry, and then I'm also going to be using this can of, it's called El Pato sauce, and what it is, it's a Mexican tomato sauce with a spice, so it's spicy. So if you don't like spicy, it may or may not be for you. So, all right, and some shredded cheese to go on top of the enchiladas. And I'm just going to use a can of Old El Paso red enchilada sauce. Normally that's not the brand I use, but that's all they had at Walmart. When I was growing up, my mom actually made enchilada sauce from scratch. She used all her own ingredients, and I have done that in the past, but normally I use just a can of it just to be quicker. Okay, and then some canola oil, and what I use that for is I fry up the tortilla a little bit because we like our enchiladas a little crispy on the edges. So I'll go through, and what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to warm up my chicken first. And normally I use chicken breast, and I cook them in this pato sauce. And when it's done, I usually shred it up. So I'm going to go ahead and warm up this chicken in the pato sauce. And then when that's done, we'll start making our enchiladas, okay? Stay tuned. All right, folks, so right now I'm warming up my chicken, and this is what it looks like. So I have all those chicken tenders or chicken strips, and that's the red sauce is that pato sauce I showed you. So I'm going to cover this up, let it simmer until the chicken gets a little more tender, and then I'm going to probably just shred it up, okay? And while I'm warming up the chicken, I'm preheating my oven to 350, okay? So stay tuned. All right, folks, so I'm back, and I've got my chicken all heated up. I didn't shred it like I normally would. I did leave it a little chunky. So that's my chicken. And then over here, I have a little frying pan with heated up oil for the corn tortilla. And then this is the enchilada sauce. So I'm going to show you how I make the enchiladas. So over here, I put my corn tortilla in there, just not so it's totally crispy. But you can see how it's getting a little crispy. And then I take it out of there. And then I'll just dip it in the enchilada sauce. And then it's going to go to the plate, and I'll show you what I do from here. Okay, so I got my chicken in here, and all I do is just roll it up. I've already done two others on this plate. This one broke a little bit, but I'm going to go ahead and do the other plate, and then I'll show you right before I put them in the oven, okay? Okay, folks, so I have put the chicken in all 6 enchiladas. So what I do is, I don't know if I said that before, I put them directly on the plates instead of casserole dishes, instead of a casserole dish, just simply because just trying to save a dish to wash. So instead of washing the casserole dish and 2 plates, I put them directly on the plate, and then I just take a paper towel and just kind of clean up the sauce a little bit, because when it's in the oven, that'll cook a lot. So okay, so now I'm just going to throw my cheese on there, and once I dip the tortillas in the enchilada sauce and roll it up in the enchilada with taco, I don't pour any more enchilada sauce on them. We particularly don't like as much sauce on it. So this is basically how I'll keep it. Now, I'm a big cheese lover. I like cheese. I gotta have stringy, melty cheese all over mine. So, and I got the 2 plates on the cookie sheet right here, and I'm going to put it in the oven for approximately 20 minutes. Glenn likes his tortillas a little crispy on the edges, as do I, but I'll probably take mine out a little before 20 minutes because I want my string nice and cheesy, okay? So I'm going to put these in the oven, and I'll show you what they look like when they come out. All right, folks, so here is the end result. It looks like a splattered cheese plate, but it is chicken enchiladas. So, like I said, I love my cheese. Glenn doesn't like as much cheese, so that's his. And we're going to enjoy our meal together, but I just wanted to show you what the end result looked like. Okay, folks, so that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's not the best cooking video out there, but I just wanted to show you how I make my enchiladas. So I hope you at least enjoyed that. So don't forget to hit that like button, the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of my next video. So, okay, I hope everybody enjoys their night. I'm not going to take a bite out of it because when we eat our meals, we say a prayer before we take a bite out. So we're going to sit down and say our prayers, and then we'll have supper. Okay? Enjoy your night. Until next time.